નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, વેદ ડિજિટલ એજ્યુકેશનમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. આજે આપણે ધોરણ 7 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ ના યુનિટ 3 વિશે સ્વ અધ્યયન પોથીની ચર્ચા કરીશું. જો ચેનલમાં નવા હોય તો ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરજો જેથી આવી તમામ માહિતી મળતી રહે. એક્ટિવિટી 1. નીચે આપેલા વાક્યો કયા વ્યવસાયકાર બોલી શકે તે ઓળખી વાક્ય સામે વ્યવસાય લખો. પહેલું છે show me your driving license. A policeman. Note down the homework. A teacher. Doesn't shoot in the classroom. A teacher. You should take your medicines regularly. A doctor. I mean shoes. A coable. વિડીયોને આગળ વધારતા આપણી એપ્લિકેશનની માહિતી લઈ લઈએ. પ્લે સ્ટોરમાં જઈને વેદ ડિજિટલ એજ્યુકેશન નામની એપ્લિકેશન તમે ડાઉનલોડ કરી શકો છો. ત્યારબાદ આ પેજ ખુલતા તેમાં તમારો મોબાઈલ નંબર ડાયલ કરતા તેનો સેન્ડ ઓટીપી આપવાથી આ પેજ ખુલશે. તેમાં એક્ઝામ પેપરમાં એકમ કસોટીના દરેક પેપરો જોવા મળશે. આ પેજ ખોલતા દરેક ધોરણો જોવા મળશે. તમે તમારા ધોરણ પર ક્લિક કરતા તમારા વિષયો જોવા મળશે. કોઈ પણ વિષય પર ક્લિક કરવાથી તેમના પાઠ જોવા મળશે. પાઠ પર ક્લિક કરવાથી પાઠની સમજૂતી, સ્વાધ્યાય સોલ્યુશન, સ્વ અધ્યયન પોથી સોલ્યુશન, અભ્યાસ સોલ્યુશન જોવા મળશે. વિડીયોને આગળ વધારતા એક્ટિવિટી 2. રીડ ધ ફોલોઇંગ એન્ડ અંડરલાઇન ધ એક્શન વર્ડ્સ. રાઇટ ડાઉન ધ એક્શન વર્ડ્સ. એક્ઝામ્પલ તરીકે ટોક, ગો, વોક, સ્લીપ, ડુ, શો, know, speak, mind, share, find, say, hand, look, cuddle, lick, tell, understand. Activity 3. Read the following dialogue carefully. Chimanlal says, Jethalal, start doing experience. Jethalal, but doctor, I cannot get up early. Chimanlal says, you can do exercise anytime. Skipping and walking are good for you. Jethalal says, walking, I will go for a walk. Pethalal says, I will join. Chimanlal says, that's fantastic. Pethalal, you can join him in daily walk, but cannot join him for tea. Pethalal says, doctor says tea is harmful, you know it. Chimanlal says, Pethala bhai, you can take a cup of green tea. Green tea is good for you. You cannot add sugar in it. Pethalal says, can I take milk with sugar? Jethalal says, not at all, no sugar. Only exercise and seasonal fruits. Now write down the advice given by Dr. Pethalal and Jethalal. Do you not join for tea? Start to take a cup of green tea. Do you not use sugar? It is only sun-spread fruits. Eat seasonal fruits. Don't eat junk food. Do exercise regularly. Activity 4. Read the following action words and classify them according to a given table. Write D for daily activities, R for regular activities, H for habitual activities in buckets. D. Daily activities. Take a bath, play games, drink milk, brush teeth. Regular activities. Eat chapati, do homework, ask questions, help friends, water the plant, go to school. Habitual activities. read storybook, dance and sing songs. Activity 5. Read the following paragraph and answer the question. પેલું, who practices yoga for and her? Shiv practices yoga for and her. Who makes tea? Shankar makes tea. When do they leave their house? They leave their house around 10 a.m. What does Shankar drive? Shankar drives the car. Find out the opposite word in the meaning from the passages. Beg, good, late, early. Shankar's activities. He makes tea and breakfast. He drives the car and sings a song. He helps Shiv in the laboratory. He plays cricket and chess. He cooks food you Shiv charge himself. Write the paragraph. Use the following words. Rampur is big village. There are primary school, Anganwadi center and high school in Rampur. There is a library in Rampur. There is a Panchayat Bhavan in Rampur. There is primary health center in Rampur. There is a bus stand in Rampur. There is a beautiful garden near the pond. Rampur is surrounded by the farms. નીચે આપેલા શબ્દોને વાક્યના યોગ્ય ક્રમ મુજબ ગોઠવો. પેલું, રેખા sometimes a movie watches. રેખા watches a movie sometimes. બીજું, they never tell a lie. ત્રીજું, Sunendra does not eat fruits. ચોથું, the students do not play every day. પાંચમું, I clean my hands every day. એક્ટિવિટી 9. અહીં ટેબલમાં સુજલના ફ્રેન્ડ્સની એક્ટિવિટી વિશે વિગતો આપવામાં આવી છે, તેનો અભ્યાસ કરો. Sujal has 7 friends. Rakesh and Priya get up early. Rutu does not get up early. Johan, Shweta and Fatima get up early. Sometimes Rakesh, Priya and Fatima read newspaper. Always Johan and Sarth do not read newspaper. Shweta tells lie. Rakesh, Priya, Fatima and Rutu do not tell a lie. Johan tells lie sometimes. Shweta, Priya and Fatima sing a song. Rakesh does not sing the songs. Rutu asks questions to the teachers sometimes. Shweta, Johan, Priya and Rakesh ask a question to the teachers. Sanvi and Sarth do not ask questions to the teachers. Fatima and Priya help their mother. Johan and Shweta do not help their mother. Fatima, Priya and Johan prepare breakfast. Shweta does not prepare breakfast. Activity 10. Write a paragraph on a school assembly. School assembly. Our school assembly starts at 11 a.m. every day. The students sit in a choir. At first practice yoga, then we sing a prayer. A student from class 6 to 8 reads headlines of newspaper. A student from class 3-4 tells a story. A teacher delivers the thoughts of the day. A student from class 6 to 8 asks quiz and other students reply him. At last we sing Vande Mataram songs and we got our class. ગાયન ગેલેરી. નીચે આપેલા પ્રાણીને તેના બચ્ચાની ખૂટતી વિગતો પૂરો. પેલું, કેટ, કિટન, hen, chicken, dog, puppy, cow, calf, frog, tadpole, goat, kid, lion, cub, pig, piglet, rabbit, bunny, horse, foal, fish, fingerling, sheep, lamb. Thank you.